So these are a few items I bought in the past using the Saks Fifth Avenue $50 credit. Fifth Avenue is a luxury department store, so you may not be able to find a lot of useful items that cost $50. So a lot of time it can be used as a discount on a more expensive item you purchase. I have 3 rules to myself when I'm planning on using these credits. So rule number 1, I shouldn't buy anything I don't need just to exercise the credits. With tax and fees, you truly only are getting about $30-something buying power, even if you can find a cheap enough item to buy. If you force yourself to use the credit, you may end up spending out of pocket for something you don't need. Buying an item in a higher price tag doesn't actually mean you're getting more in quality.
In this example here, you may think you're going to get a good deal with a $50 credit discount, but the same item can actually be purchased through Amazon for less.
So rule number 2, I only buy branded items that I know a little bit more about their quality and their price level.
This kettle is one of my favorite, and it is a must to my family when we stay in the hotel. We don't use the coffee machine in the hotel, and we don't drink from the tap. In some cases, if I didn't get a chance to shop for water, I melt ice to make water with the kettle. If I need cold or room temperature water, I add ice back to the hot water. The kettle costs about $90, and with the Amex credits, it was half price.
You may argue that I don't need $100 kettles in the first place. Sometimes shopping is about satisfactions. There are a lot of things that we don't need. There are toys that bring us joy. I don't encourage people to spend too much money on toys because they are expensive and they tend to get outdated very quickly. But we're getting all these discounts, and in some occasions they actually bring the price down to be more affordable. All these bring it down to my rule number 3. Buying expensive toys is not a crime as long as it fits your budget, but you should always plan it. If your wife asks you to buy a blender, don't always try to get the cheapest one at Walmart. You may try to get a more powerful motor like this one. With the $50 Amex credit, it is going to be a good purchase.
Now think about what if you're getting these to your wife instead. It is becoming part of a collection on top of being a good tool.
My strategy is to save this item on the Fifth Avenue account. Keep your Amex credit around and don't rush to use it. Wait for the coupon that fits your purchase.
In this particular example, a store coupon of $50 can be applied to this blender.
Then combine the $50 on top of the coupon. We may end up getting this beautiful blender for $89. Just to warn you, you're going to get a lot of promotion email from Saks Fifth Avenue. Create an inbox rule and forward those emails to a different folder. Yes, even with all these rules, I'm still a shopaholic. I hope you will be finding some fun spending your credits. Let us know what you got in the comment section. I have my first cup of coffee in here when I travel, and then I have my second coffee freshly made using this press, and this is going to keep it warm for 5 hours. That's my second cup to go. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. I will see you next time.